We've all had the experience of going to the drugstore to pick up a medicine. Maybe it wasn't covered by the insurance enough or the copay was too high. There's an app you really should have on your phone called GoodRx. This app searches all the drugstores in your area based on your location and shows the prices for medications and gives discount coupons that can save a huge amount. As you can see here, this antibiotic varies quite a bit from one pharmacy to another. In the case of Advair, a common asthma inhaler, these are cash prices, remember. We can choose the generic or the brand name. We'll look at the generic here. And you can see at CVS it's $98, at Publix it's $101, at Walmart it's $109, Walgreens $121. This kind of stuff adds up if you're on more than one medication. Sometimes the discount with the coupons provided inside this app make the cash price less than your insurance price for medications. Brio, another asthma inhaler. Publix $358, but at Walgreens half that price. CVS over $300. So there's a huge variance from one pharmacy to the next. And there's not just one pharmacy that will always be the cheapest, as sometimes these pharmacies make a contract with the drug company to get discounted prices. So it doesn't pay to be loyal to any particular pharmacy. Losartan is a common blood pressure medicine, anywhere from $13 to $18 or even $3 at Costco or $9 at Walmart. Again, pretty big difference from one to another, and hardly worth the convenience of using your insurance when you can pay cash and get these kinds of prices. Metformin is a diabetes pill. Again, very inexpensive through the app, about $7 at Walmart or $4 at Walmart using their other cheap drug program they have. And Humalog insulin injection, this is the short-acting insulin. Around $20, depending on the pharmacy again. Download the app, GoodRx.